Hello all you beautiful people. Before starting to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel or press bell icon. So welcome back to our YouTube channel Malaysia Property. This is the true definition of the luxury. Well guys, today we are going to show you very beautiful and attractive one bedroom apartment in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So live the real life at Malaysia Properties apartment. This is a higher quality of living. This is the beautiful lifestyle you deserve. So guys, you are exactly where you ought to be. Dear people, for any kind of inquiry or suggestions, this is our mail ID showing on the screen, and this is the unique code 22052101. Well, live the real life at Malaysia Properties apartment. Well, find the property of your dream. So let's move into the apartment slide. Let's get started. Well, this is our beautifully designed bedroom. You can see guys, it's first look to our bedroom with the very beautiful and attractive design with the fully furnished with the window style bedroom. The one thing I notice about this house is its royal color. Not to miss out of that, but it is something to talk about. And this is the side view of this bedroom. You can see guys. Basically, this is one bedroom apartment and it's all the attractions gives very stylish look to the room. And the outside view guys. This view is very stunning and very superb. Just look at the view guys, I mean just look at, you can really live here whole your life. It's very attractive, a very classy, a very spacious look of our house and hall. You can see our design which has been given very classy and attractive manner. And all I feel is this hall gives very royal vibe to this apartment. Location, community and quality living. It starts here. And this is very pretty and very beautiful look of our kitchen. You can see guys, this kitchen is well designed or very spacious and with all the other attractions with close fitted kitchen cabinets. And here is a beautiful dining area is also available. Great experiences are just around the corner. Well, this is the view of our well-designed washroom and all the necessary stuff is there. Well, let's move into the description box. One bedroom, one washroom and this apartment is fully furnished. Home is where the amenities are at a price you can afford. Swimming pool, parking, lift, security services, long-term fully furnished. Dear people, live like you want, that's our anthem. Well, this is the ideal space to balance life, work and play. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful and attractive apartment. If you are ready for moving, then contact us. This is our mail ID showing on the screen. Stunning views, super atmosphere and stellar price. So guys, this is the lifestyle you deserve. So this is your gateway toward richer life. Dear viewers, your concern is our priority. What kind of apartment do you want? Please write us in comment. We will respond you shortly. Keep shining. Take care.